Good morning, everybody. So here we are at the Environmental Charter High School in the city of Gardena, and we just had the hurricane that went through here, and I came to check up on everything, and I'm pretty impressed with what I see. Just before it happened, we went ahead and took the excess mini bark away from the base of all the plants, because that definitely would have killed most of these plants. And as you can see, we heavily mulched in. Over here, though, this is the really exciting thing that I'm super excited about. There's standing water. You can see the reflection of the building there. And what I'm so excited about is that most of the time, campuses have grass and concrete. And I think this site used to have grass at one point. And so what does grass need? It needs water, it needs fertilizers, typically synthetic chemical fertilizers. It will have certain types of pesticides and all different kinds of chemicals that go on it. And then when you get a lot of rain, what happens is this, as you can see, this is just not soaking in. So where do all those chemicals go then that are on the ground? After about a minute of soaking in to the ground, then the chemicals get pushed into a drain. You can see the channel drain there. And then it gets pushed out into the street. And where does it go from there? The ocean. 3 miles away. This all gets pumped to the ocean, killing the oceans. It's acidifying the oceans. So what we're going to do here as a phase 2, we're going to do a dry creek bed. But you can see it's already doing its job. We're going to bring about 20 tons of rock and boulders here. Really cool stuff. And it's going to hold the water in. It'll provide for groundwater recharge, and it will hold, keep this from going into the oceans. And we left some tall sprinklers there so that we left them in the middle, actually. We're going to cover over that with rock so you won't even see it. So, okay, thanks for joining me, and I'm really glad this thing works, even though we haven't built it yet, and going to make the kids a whole part of the project. Thanks for joining. Take care. Hi there. Well, yeah, see the middle part here, that shows you how hard the soil is. We had to have a jackhammer for every plant. Yeah, and so what's nice is that it's holding the water in, which is what people want to do with, we want everybody to do with their front and backyards. Keep the water on site. Works. It really works. Yeah.